yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any.
You all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about some tips and tricks that you can use on whichever iOS version you are to get more storage on your device. This is particularly for people who are using a 32 or 64 GB iPhone, but for some reason I've actually seen a lot of you guys having low storage on even your 256 GB iPhone. I have no clue how you guys do it. I mean, this iPhone 12 64 GB, I managed to fill this much in 1 year. Like, can you believe it? In 1 year, only this much. After applying all these tips and tricks, I'm pretty sure I can get my device down to like 50% of storage, if not less than that. Right, so let's start with this video. Number one and most effective way is to reset your device in every 6 months. Well, I personally do it, but for some reason I have not really been doing it for the past 1 year, especially with my iPhone 12. I haven't done it till now because I was just so busy making dope tech videos for you guys. So you gotta subscribe to this channel and turn that notifications on, alright? So you guys should actually reset your phone in every 6 months. I think it is not that hard task that I'm giving you guys. In 6 months, it's pretty normal. Like, you can do it. You can just take 1 weekend out of your life and just back up your phone on your Mac or Windows machine and then just reset your phone and then restore all the data from your Mac or your Windows machine to your device. Trust me, it is not that hard as people think it is. Yes, for the first few seconds you will think and you will be a bit lazy, and I personally, it was me who was feeling lazy at first, but then I realized it is not that hard to reset your device and back up all that data on your computer and then restore all that data on your phone. So this is actually the most effective way to get rid of that storage that you think is there, that miscellaneous file storage and cache of various apps that you use, especially Instagram, Twitter and all that we guys use almost daily. Those apps have so many cache data. Alright, so now moving on to the number 2, which is deleting your Instagram, Twitter and all those apps and adding a web link to your apps instead, or deleting the apps and reinstalling it. If you don't know it already, but most of you guys already know, but still let me talk about it. You guys can actually delete your Instagram apps and all, just save all that login information on the iCloud keychain, so that next time when you log in, it is not hard for you to just remember your passcode and all that. I keep everything in my iCloud keychain, so I can just delete any app at any time and just don't worry about the login details and stuff. For example, on Twitter you can see it is taking over a gigabyte. On Instagram it is overtaking over a gigabyte. All of these apps are just like 100 or 200 MB big, but still they are taking so much storage. If you want to stick to the app, just delete it and install it back on your device. Now the second way, which is the most effective way but not really the most efficient way for me at least, which is adding the Instagram, Twitter and all those to home screen. What I mean by that is just going to the web app of the Instagram and Twitter and just add that to your home screen. What it will do, it will just open your Safari, or when you will add it to the home screen, it will basically load the web version, but not really on web. But yeah, it is actually really irritating. I can't just use that web app for more than 10-15 minutes. Not to forget, on those apps you do have some limitations. For example, you can't really listen to voice messages, you can't send or receive any stickers or reactions to people messages. So it is really frustrating, which I would not say that you should actually do this, but people who use Instagram just for browsing that feed and just to look at photos and all and do not really talk to anyone, I would say it is a really great way to save quite a bit of storage, because DM on the app is much better than web. So I would say if you DM people a lot, then go ahead and install the app But if you don't DM anyone, it is much better to stick on the web version of that app. On the screen you can see here is how to get that web version of that app. Now let me know, how cool is that?
Don't you know?
How cool is that?
Oh my god, I know you guys are obsessed with this clip, so am I. Craig Federighi is so damn funny. Alright, so the final trick to get more storage is just go into the app and clear cache. It is the best way to do that. You don't have to even delete the app and do anything. It is just that simple for some apps. For example, Telegram. You can just go into Telegram app and just clear all the cache. There are more apps that do let you do all this on your app itself, so you don't have to go through that hassle of deleting and reinstalling that app, though it is just a 2-minute thing, but it still takes some time, right? And yes, I forgot to mention that there are another advantages of following my first tip, which is just resetting your phone in every 6 months. Number one, what it does is it actually deletes all the junk files and all, and I have noticed that it makes your phone feel a bit smoother and faster too, and a bit more responsive too. Doesn't matter on which firmware you are on, these tips will be working for you guys, and it is the most effective ways I have seen these tricks work. So let me know down in comments below if you did manage to save up some storage after watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these. I keep on doing these kind of videos for you guys almost daily. iOS 15.4 coverage will be coming out real soon, so if you haven't subscribed, do it right now. Also, not to forget that we are so damn close to 10k subscribers. Do it, come on, you have to subscribe. Alright, I'm so close to 10k, please do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and peace out.
Oh,